Hey there, tech fans and curious cats. Today we're talking about the wild world of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup that's causing as much chaos as a toddler with a crayon in a white room. We're about to explore what DeepSeek is, how it might flip the tech world on its head, how it could even mess with American tech giants, and finally, ask the million-dollar question: what could possibly go wrong? Spoiler, a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What is DeepSeek? So, what in the world is DeepSeek? Imagine building a super smart robot brain that costs less than your daily latte habit. Founded in 2023 by a guy named Liang Wenfeng, think of him as the quirky genius from a Chinese hedge fund turned AI wizard. DeepSeek develops huge language models. These models can chat, solve tricky math puzzles, and even write code. And here's the kicker. While most American companies burn billions to train their AI models, DeepSeek spent only around $5.6 million and used a neat cluster of 2048 NVIDIA H800 GPUs. Yes, GPUs, those fancy chips, to achieve similar results. Talk about a bargain. How DeepSeek is changing the tech world. Now, hold on to your hats. This is where it gets exciting. DeepSeek's breakthrough is like discovering that you can make a gourmet meal with instant noodles. Its secret sauce: a clever training process using reinforcement learning and a mixture of experts method. In plain English, it only wakes up the parts of its brain that matter for each question, saving heaps of computing power. This cost-cutting wizardry is sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley. Major tech stocks got so jittery that when DeepSeek's new model hit the market, shares of giants like NVIDIA dropped by around 17% in a single day, almost as if investors saw a ghost or a super cheap AI and screamed. And it doesn't stop there. DeepSeek is open source, meaning its secret sauce is available for anyone to remix, tweak, or even add extra cheese to. This is like having the recipe for your favorite burger, but letting every foodie around the world create their own version. It challenges the old guard of closed, super expensive AI systems and could lead to a whole new era of innovation with smaller players joining the race. How DeepSeek could affect America. Imagine waking up one day to find your favorite tech giant, say NVIDIA, looking as fragile as a house of cards in a hurricane. That's pretty much what happened when news of DeepSeek's efficient, low-cost model spread like wildfire. American companies, which are used to spending big bucks, suddenly had to answer the question: is it worth burning billions on flashy hardware when you can do it cheaper? This shakeup even led to a massive sell-off in U.S. tech stocks. Some reports say nearly $1 trillion of market value disappeared in a day. Even President Trump called it a wake-up call. So, while DeepSeek might not replace all the American tech titans overnight, it's certainly making them sweat, and that could reshape investments, job markets, and the entire tech economy in the USA. The big, funny question: what could possibly go wrong? Now for the million-dollar question: what could go wrong? Picture this: DeepSeek is super smart and super cheap, but it's also from China. Its models run on servers in China and follow local rules. That means if you ask it about some sensitive topics, think Tiananmen Square or Taiwan, it might give you a very politically correct answer or no answer at all. Kind of like your friend who avoids controversial topics at dinner parties. There are also concerns about privacy and security. Some experts worry that user data might be sent back to China, and there are even whispers about DeepSeek possibly borrowing training data from other models without asking. In short, while it's a technological marvel, it also comes with a box of Pandora's, or should we say, P2PS, problems. So, to wrap up, DeepSeek is the AI equivalent of finding out your neighbor's kid built a rocket in the garage. Impressive, disruptive, and a little bit terrifying. It shows that you don't have to be a billionaire to build powerful AI, and it's challenging the old way of doing things in Silicon Valley. But as with all great inventions, there are trade-offs: censorship, data privacy, and potential misuse. The future of AI might very well be more open, more efficient, and, dare we say it, more fun. And if nothing else, it gives us plenty to talk and laugh about. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what you think might go hilariously wrong in the brave new world of DeepSeek.